Hi guys, you're joining me after the Whatnot show. It wasn't just any Whatnot show, it was the awards show for our Discord community, on which I made a big announcement. Stay tuned to find out what that was, and have I made a huge mistake? You decide, let me know in the comments guys. So firstly, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Alan, I'm part of 13 Under UK. We do sell live on Whatnot, which is a social marketing platform. Everything will be linked in the description. We also sell on eBay and other sites like that. And we've started doing the YouTube, but we made a big announcement on the show that we've just done, which I'll get into in a few minutes time. But on the show we've just done, we did do 112 orders, 112 items sold that was, and 30 orders. So I have got them to ship, and that is the next part of my process, which I'll take you on probably a different video, because today I want to get into the announcement that I just made. And you decide with me whether I've made the right decision, the wrong decision, and what your thoughts are. Let me know in the comments. Do get involved. Join us on the Discord, and we can follow this process together. This is basically day one of this announcement, so I'm going to get into it. I'll just show you the items briefly that we did sell a minute ago. So these are some of the items that I've just sold, and I do want to be as transparent as possible during this video series, showing you what the items are that we do sell, what we make profit wise, and see how the process unfolds. So I'm going to get into what the announcement actually was. Just wanted to briefly show you that, and we will go through a packing video in a future episode. So I know by this point you're already wondering what the announcement was, and just saying get on with it because I want to know if it was a mistake or not. So the announcement was that basically about a year ago decided to start this 13 Under UK brand as part of eBay, YouTube, and we discovered Whatnot through YouTube, which Whatnot is a social media marketing platform basically that you do online auctions. Everything will be linked in the description, and we'll get into what Whatnot is in a later date. But if you do know what it is, basically it's live selling on shows. So the show we've just run was 3 hours long. We sold 112 items, over 30 orders. I'll put everything on the screen there for you to look at, because I do want transparency in going forward the next few videos. So this one is about the announcement I've just made. So the announcement I've just made is that I want to scale up the business and take it to a full-time reselling. So I have thought about quitting my full-time job for a long time now, and I've decided that that is the way to go. I'm going to trial it over the fourth quarter, which is the busiest quarter for reselling the likes of toys that we do. So hopefully it will be a success, and we should know by January time whether it is or not. But I want you guys to come along on this journey with me. I've got some podcasts set up. I've already recorded 3 episodes with some good sellers. And we're going to do, I've got sales and marketing ones set up for interviews, things like that, but they'll come as part of YouTube live streams, which are going to come very, very soon, guys. So make sure to subscribe. Let me know in the chat if you're on a journey similar and what point you're on. Have you been a full-time reseller for a long time? Are you just starting? Do you do a bit of part-time on the side? It is coming up to Christmas, so we all do like to try and get a little bit of extra money in, which helps a lot. But I've recently upscaled my office to a larger space and took in a lot more inventory. So hopefully I've already got the stock on site to be able to do the next few shows without having to reinvest. I will be transparent, as I say, with the sort of figures that I'm getting in, the sort of figures that I'm paying out. And we'll see come January time whether we make a success of this or not. So stick around, tune in, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get uploads. And we will let you know over the next few days what is going on. I'm under no illusion that the life of a reseller will be an easy one. I know it's going to be hard. I know it's going to be long days. I know it's going to be hard work. But I'm prepared for that, and I hopefully will make a success of it. Now, I've got this shipping to do, so I'm going to get straight into it. Join me in future episodes to see how I do this process, but I'll see you in the next one.